Hello Lux Squad, welcome back to Her Home Is, and in today's video you guys is my living room tour. I'm trying to give you some living room inspiration in this video, you guys. And here in my living room we are styling with the colors of black, gold and white. Now drop me a comment if this gave you some inspiration, but let's jump right into this full room tour. Make sure you stay tuned. I'm going to give you a nighttime view as well. And two, if this is your first time tuning in, welcome. Here on Her Home Is, you get all things home decor related. So if you're not a part of the family, consider hitting the subscribe button. Also, everyone, make sure you are following me over on my TikTok and Instagram accounts as well. And the name is still Her Home Is. And two, make sure your post notifications are turned on to all so you'll know every time that we are dropping videos. And two, family, make sure you're checking back daily because we're going to attempt to bring you videos daily for the remainder of January. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas and Happy New Year as well. Thank you guys for your loyal love and support, you guys. I appreciate and love each and every one of you. Now, drop me a comment. I like talking to you down in the comments. And if you have any inspirational ideas, drop it down there or check out that description box for that email and send me your requests through the email as well. And I hope this first winter living room inspiration of 2024 did inspire you. Make sure you come back. I will tell you, we do have some things in store for you guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. Now, you guys, make sure that you are following all of our branded channels, and that is here on Her Home Is. All links are down in the description. Also her tablescapes, Glam Queen DIY, Her Home Blogs, and Her Home Shorts. You guys, will see you tomorrow on another video.